Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I take the store-bought pizza from boring and making exciting by adding my own toppings. So I'm using irresistible pizza. I bought 3 of them and that is what it looks like. They're the thin crust pizza. I'm going to take one out of the box and let you see what it looks like. You know what I noticed? I've noticed that the size went down. The small is usually a bigger size, but it shrunk. Look at that. I was planning to make 2 for a family of 3, but I think I'm gonna have to prepare all 3. Now these are the veggie. So I have red, green, and yellow peppers. I have purple, white onion, red and green scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm adding a little bit of garlic to kick it up a notch. I am using 3 cheese Italian. I'm using some cayenne pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle with some olive oil. So first I'm going to prep the vegetables by cutting them up in very small pieces, and then I'm going to add them to the pizza, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake for about anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, please stay tuned until the end. I have a surprise for you, and you want to see this. So right now I'm about to prep the vegetable. Please follow along and try to make this pizza at home instead of the store-bought one. What I find in Toronto, where I'm from, the quality of the pizza is so bad. I mean, sometimes you bought them at the store, they're not cooked properly, or the taste is horrible. So I decided to make my pizza from scratch, or bought the store-bought frozen one, add my own topping, make it fresh and delicious, and it's usually very, very tasty. So there's an idea for you guys. So I am prepping the vegetables, and what I'm doing right here, I'm chopping them into small bite-sized pieces, and the reason I'm doing that is because it cooks easily. Before, when I made my pizza, I usually slice up the vegetable in bigger slices, but today I'm just going to cut them in small slices, and then I'm going to sprinkle on top of them. So stay tuned to the end. As I said, I have a surprise, and I now reach 500, and I think it's 6 or 8 subscribers. I'm asking everyone who watch this channel to please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, guy. Please, I've worked very hard on this channel, and it's coming along. If you like my content, which I'm going to make a little bit more, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification so that when I upload a video, you will be notified. And I'm going to bring some really interesting recipes, travel. I'm going to do all kind of fun stuff. As you know, the channel is not just about food, it's about a variety of different things. It's about lifestyle, it's about traveling, it's about fun, it's about dancing, you name it. Okay, so I'm almost finished prepping the vegetable here, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the pizza look like. I'm going to take it from the package, the wrap, and I'm going to add the vegetable to the pizza. Okay, and because I'm putting one more I'm adding one more pizza, I'm going to do all of the purple onion, and I'm just going to do it like so. So here I'm adding the scotch bonnet pepper, guys, and I use my hand because I don't mind the heat. And the scotch bonnet peppers in Canada, I don't even know if they're scotch bonnet because they're not hot. They're not hot like the ones you get when you're in Jamaica. They're totally different. So I'm going to chop that fine and add it to the rest of the vegetable, and then we're going to start to put the topping onto the pizza. So I've decided to add a little piece of green scotch bonnet pepper as well, just to add a little bit more color and spice to the pizza. Here I'm adding some garlics, and I'm gonna cut those up very finely. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. God bless and thank you. So I'm finished prepping the veg. Now I'm going to add the veggies onto the pizza. So I'm using this small pizza pan, which I've wrapped with some foil paper so not to burn the pizza. And this is what the pizza look like. It's a small irresistible pizza. I'm taking it out of the package. It comes with pepperoni. Actually, I think this one has extra pepperoni and cheese on there. So I'm gonna add my topping to that. And as you can see, that's what the pizza looks like. If you have a big family, you would need to buy them one each because they're small in size. So first, I'm going to start by adding some of the olive oil on top of the pizza. And I'm spreading it generously. I love olive oil, plus it's good for you. Now I'm adding some of the cheese, which is the tree cheese from, I think it's the Italian brand, Italian tree cheese. And I'm also spreading a generous amount. Next, I'm spreading some of the cayenne pepper. I'm using two types of pepper, guys, the dry flakes cayenne, and I'm going to add some scotch bonnet later on. Okay, so now I'm starting with the vegetable, but I'm adding the red, green, and yellow pepper first because it takes longer to cook. And I'm not adding them in any particular order. I'm just adding them on top of the pizza. And remember to spread it all out because you want to get it even and you want them to cook all at once. So after I finish spreading the peppers, I'm going to spread the tomato, the red tomato, and then I'm going to spread, I think right there I'm spreading the onion, the white onion, and then I'm going to do, I think, the garlic, the chopped garlic. There you go. I'm adding the garlic. And remember, guys, spread it out evenly. I don't like having pizza where all the toppings is mostly in the middle. The end part is the best part. So I like eating all of my pizza, especially the ones that you make yourself. Okay, so continue to spread the topping onto the pizza. And now see what I'm doing? I'm using one of my hand to protect the pizza from dropping onto the side of the pan. And I'm spreading out all of the toppings onto the pizza. And again, guys, I'm using the thin crust. So when I finish putting all the veggie, I'm adding more cheese. Because as I said, our family likes a lot of cheese. And continue adding the cheese to your heart desires. When you spread all of the cheese out, you're going to drizzle with some more olive oil. So the cheese and the olive oil is a two-step system. Now this is what I wanted you guys to see at the end, that I've added the olive oil and the cheese at two different steps in the making of this wonderful pizza. Now it's all done. I'm going to make the other two. I'm going to put them in the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes, and this is the end result. This is what it looks like, guys. Look how yummy and delicious that looks. I'm going to have that with some Caesar salad. Look at that. It's amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. If you like my content, please help me to reach 1,000 subscribe. God bless, and you enjoy making a pizza.